So now we're going to make the on-hand grading machine. So we take off this machine first. Take off this platform. And this one as well. Take off this one. Small screwdriver and stuck it in here. Use this one. Now take off this one as well, this black. And then we'll put this on. Yeah. And then now it's an on-hand grading machine. You can like just open it. Use your hand. If you want to make a decal, you can take off this one. Take off this one. Yeah. And take out this set of sending tools. There's a lot of choices. For example, this one. And then we take out the collect sets, find out which one suit. Too big, too small. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, and then we put it in. Here. Put it in. This one as well. Spin it. Where's this stuff? Make it tight. Yeah. Now I can use another hat. Go through all the details. And there are a lot of choices for you in here. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you. And as you can see, it's a 4-in-1 machine. Yeah. So I've just made 4 machines. That's amazing.